Welcome back to another video, guys. Today I'm gonna read you an awesome thread posted on the Battlefield 2042 forums, and it's gonna be one talking about Battlefield 2042 improvements for 2022. Okay, so I'm gonna link you guys this thread in the description down below, as you can see on the screen. And this guy, the Tibber, has an awesome thread talking about performance issues. You have to clear crash, DDU power cycle, turn your system off completely and unplug it from the main for 5 minutes, then turn it back on. This guide shows you how clear crash for various setups. So if you're having performance issues and FPS lag, make sure you go ahead and do the steps on here. And also you have input rated issues like shuttering. You have to remove a DLL file, and it's over there, so make sure you do it. And if you have a problem concerning fail to launch game or unable to save progress, unable to connect to online games, I've talked about in my latest video. And also there's a lot of steps you can do over here, like disable or install OneDrive, and verify your files are working good. And then you have explanations and findings. So this guy has a quick thread over here talking about origin and the problem with origins. Okay, and also you can read a lot of comments, and there's also a full analysis about what's happening over here. And I'm very excited to show you guys this thread over here. Okay, so as you can see, he puts the differences in graphic and performance between all the settings. So it's an awesome thread you might be interested in reading, because it might solve a lot of problems while playing the game. Okay, so yeah, I just made this video to update you guys on the thread. Maybe if you haven't seen it anywhere, you've seen it on the channel today. So thank you guys for watching. It's maybe in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys, peace out.